Ah, never gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I think people view LA as one place, like a large city. But I feel like LA is a bunch of small places, all with their own character. And nothing has more character than LA's old Chinatown. So we're about to check that out right now. I really love the dragons at the entrance of the city. And they've been here forever, as long as I can remember anyway. I picture them like guardians at the gate holding back the rest of the city, protecting and watching over Chinatown. And you know, Chinatown's not a really big tourist place. I mean, you do get people coming down here, but it's more of an obscure place. There's lots of vendors selling tourist trinkets and souvenirs and things like that. But there's also a lot of locals just living their life. There's a lot of Chinese medicine tea shops in the area. Back in the day, you were able to get dried seahorse tea and sea cucumber tea and just all sorts of stuff, but I think that's kind of gone away after the pandemic. Another thing that's been around since I remember are these bonsai and money trees. Oh, and of course the baby turtles. I got a turtle when I was a kid and it got so big, we had to let it go at the Hollenbeck Pond. There's also a whole building just dedicated to jewelry. It's really not my cup of tea though. But the building next door? That's really more what I like. Huh? Heck yeah. Alright, so I ended up buying a plant, but my camera stopped recording. Let me show you the plant that I got. This one right here. I paid 20 bucks for it. Pretty cool old lady. She convinced me I'm a sucker. But maybe this plant will bring my channel good luck. This plaza had all sorts of places to eat. I found this really cool coffee shop. It's called Endorffeine. It caught my eye because it sort of looked out of place. But the shaken iced latte was it. Dude shook it in a cocktail shaker, and it really thickened it up and made it taste even creamier. I also found a meat shop in this plaza. They sell burgers and fries in here, but you can also buy meat like a butcher. They even dry age huge cuts. I ended up getting the Grizzly, and it turned out to be one of the best burgers I've ever had. It's super simple too. It's pretty much just their in-house blended patties, which are then tallow fried. The meat is super beefy though, and I'm sure it has to do with the tallow fry technique. Listen man, if you're not eating the cheese off the wrapper, your burger wasn't that good. But there was many other places in this plaza that I just didn't film. Like this food bookstore. Every store in this book was about cooking or just culinary arts in general. And outside the plaza, there's even more places to eat. You know, if you're in the mood for Guangkok, you can always come here. Here's a good place. Alright, so there's one place that I've been purposely avoiding. When tourists visit LA and come to Chinatown, this is the place they come to. Everybody's made a video about this place. But honestly, there's nothing here. I mean, it looks cool and there's plenty of places to take pictures, but there's so much more to see and explore on the main street. But Chinatown's actually a little city, man. It's just not on Broadway. There's much more to it. Looks like a cool little park over here. That's a real cool park. It seems to be gated off though. It's got a little waterfall in it. How do you get in there? That's the question. And then you got these cool stairs right here. Seems to be private. All right, I think I found the entrance. Yes, it's open. Check this out. How freaking cool. It's just like a little space to hang out in. Lots of succulents. It looks like there's a little park on that side over there too. I'm gonna go check it out. Yeah, it's like a little exercise park in the middle of the city. Nice and clean. Little rock wall. Pretty awesome. Pretty nice, clean place. It's rare to find a really clean place in LA like this. Alright, let's make it to the top of those stairs. And I'm running low on battery, so I'm probably going to have to turn it off, and I'll see you guys at the top because I think we're going to make it up there. Let's run up there. Oh, that's a lot of stairs. I'm trying to make it up before the battery goes out. I'm not going to make it. So many stairs. I'm never going to make it. I'm not gonna make it. Alright. I didn't make it. Alright. I made it. Barely. What a view. So the stairs just kind of lead to the residential area, but I'm telling you, man, these people have a nice view. That's East LA, that's Boyle Heights over there. You can't really see downtown from here. It's still a hell of a view though. You know, in my last video I talked about urban hiking. This is a perfect example of urban hiking. LA's got lots of hills, a lot of little crevices and nooks where you can get into, so that was fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, I'm pretty new to YouTube, so please subscribe, hit the like button, and if you like these videos, leave a comment, man. I'll keep making them. You know, suggest the place, or you know, I'll just take you to my favorite spots. You know, in Chinatown, it's sort of like a gateway city. So if you're done exploring here, you could always hop on a train. The Chinatown station will take you to Pasadena in one direction, and all the way down to Long Beach in the other. I mean, if you really wanted to, you can head down to the Union Station and pretty much go in any direction you want. But there's plenty to do in the area. LA Historic Park is right next to the station. Highland Park Brewery is right across the street. Philippe's is also in Chinatown. Philippe's is one of the oldest delis in LA. They claim they invented the French dip. Elysian Park is also in the area. It's a nice little drive, you get beautiful views, and the road kind of dumps you off in a place where it's really easy to get to Griffith Park, Glendale, Los Feliz, Hollywood. It was an overall good day. I had some really good iced coffee. I had a delicious burger. I bought a money tree, and I bought this awesome book. And spent a few hours here. Didn't spend that much money. Had a great time. More stairs. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please click like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you on the next. Peace.